seeds, they have got a lot of mineral powder. When you put the seed in the mud, the tree comes, like a plant comes. So they've got all the information. Like how the plant working, its leaves, branches, seeds, fruits. So it's packed with energy. So when we put this seed, which is packed with energy, positive energy, because positive why? Because of growth. Okay? So this when we put it on our body, so this energy will be absorbed by our body. And all the stagnant energy which is causing, because there is a blockage inside which is causing the problem. So that it is taken. That's the power of seed. I use a lot of seeds, yes. There's a lot of power in seeds. There's a lot of power.
But in India, you can find good seeds. In France, seeds are more